You are stronger than you think. Don't doubt yourself, but always remember, dreams don't work unless you do. Just keep going, because in a year from now, you will thank yourself. Make a choice, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. Welcome back guys, my name is Vishal Anthwal and my channel is based on travel vlogs, motor vlogs and my lifestyle. And in this video, I will be reviewing one of the best super naked sports bike under 900cc category, that is the Kawasaki Z900. Kawasaki has now replaced the Z800 with a new Z900. Now this 948cc inline 4-cylinder motor is derived from the Z1000, which produces the maximum power of 125 bhp at 9500 rpm with a maximum torque of 98.6 Nm at 7700 rpm, which is still 12 horsepower and 50 Nm of torque more than the Z800. It is 20 kg lighter, uses a bigger engine and the design is more modern looking than the Z800. Please note, the bike being reviewed in this vlog is a limited edition of Kawasaki Z900 and the model is metallic Moondust Grey. And for your interest, I have reviewed it with Racefit exhaust. Now before we talk further, let me show you the power, the performance, the sound of the loud exhaust of this bike with crazy flybys. No one can deny the fact that the bike being displayed on the screen is furious, aggressive, bellicose and a complete pocket rocket to rule the roads. This Japanese performance motorcycle has a liquid-cooled engine which is the most affordable 4-cylinder model from the Team Green in India. The instrument console is a semi-digital instrument cluster with an analog tachometer. It comes with a slipper clutch which makes the lever light and progressive and assists with excessive engine braking. It has a 6-speed short ratio gearbox up to 5th gear. The 6th gear is relatively taller. The headlights are not LED units, but the tail light is a Z-shaped LED unit. It is a competitor to Suzuki GSX-S 750, Ducati Monster 797 and the Triumph Street Triple. Now it's time for 0 to 100. It is priced at Rs 7.7 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. It comes with a dual channel ABS. It's a petrol fuel type bike which gives the mileage between 10 to 15 km per liter. I like almost everything about this bike, like 210 kgs of lightweight with 795 mm of seat height and with 17 liters of big fuel tank capacity. I also did off-roading on it and trust me, the handling performance was just mind-blowing. The only point I don't like about this bike is the ground clearance of 130 mm, which I expect a little more for Indian roads. And for me, the Kawasaki Z900 is always a better looking monster naked bike than the Z900. But overall, this bike is a perfect value for money. I would like to know your opinion about this bike. You can also comment your favorite bike under 10 lakh rupees, but with reasons. Big thanks to Adi Bhai and his team who allowed me to review his bike. Special thanks to BhuvanyuTheDoonite for helping me to shoot this vlog. Please appreciate the efforts and share your views and doubts in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this review vlog. Bye bye guys, I will see you soon.